My name is Geoffrey M. Samukonga. I am 55 years old. I come from Zambia. Uh, my residence is in the capital city of Zambia, in Lusaka. Um, I have been a member of parliament in my country and eventually became deputy minister for commerce, trade and industry in my country. I'm here at Apollo Hospital following the accident that I was involved in. Way back in the year 2012, I fell down from a construction site where we are constructing my double-story building at my farm, and then landed on a concrete floor, and broke my hip. And that had a telling effect, such that I was admitted to our local hospital. It's called Italian Orthopedical Hospital. And we have quite good staff there, but the operation was not, I think, successful. After that operation, I continued having pain in my hip. And then there was a revision operation again in my country, where the pain, after which the pain couldn't subsidize. And then I had a third operation in 2014. Still could not recover. I continued experiencing a lot of pain and couldn't walk. As a result, I was recommended for specialist hospital to Apollo Hospital here in India, and I came in the year 2015. And I came here on the 15th of July. I saw Dr. Gulash the following day, and he asked me to be admitted on the third day, and then on the 20th of July, 2017, I was operated on. Dr. Gulash, prior to that, had indicated that most of my bones in the hip were eaten up due to time lapse, and that he was going to carry out a very complicated operation. And he warned that the operation was going to be major, and that I needed to consent to the fact that it would either be successful or not. But I'm glad that Dr. Glash did a very, very good job. And have never, all the operations that have been carried on the 4 times prior to this operation, made me experience a lot of pain. But this particular one, soon after the operation, I was able to feel much better. And still up to now, I'm recovering very well, I should say. And I feel much better. And I think it was a marvelous job. And thank you, Dr. Kulash.
A wonderful, very understanding patient, Jeffrey. And I'm honored that you're an important man from your country, a minister, and very well respected in your country. And it's nice that you trusted our Apollo Hospital Delhi, and you trusted me to carry on this complicated operation on you. As you are aware that you had this 4 operations before that, and you had infection in your hip, and there was a lot of destruction of the hip joint and the upper part of the thigh bone.
That's
In
right.
fact, there was no bone left there. There was a prosthesis which should have been removed 3 months after the first surgery, but because of your circumstances in the country, you could
Yes.
not come. That made things a little more difficult, but be as it may, we decided to go ahead with it, and it was very bold on your part to accept failure just in case it was not a success, because infection is something nobody can guarantee. But I'm very happy that once we opened up the hip, although the tissues were very frozen, jammed up, no bone, but we did not find any evidence of infection. And in the test also that we did before the surgery, there was no obvious infection. That's why we were able to carry on this massive operation of replacing the upper part of the foot of the femur bone, the thigh bone. This is
Yes.
the kind of operation we normally do for cancer or tumors, and we replace that whole thing. But because you have no bone, we have to do that. And thanks to God, and and thanks to your cooperative attitude, that it's been a big success. And I'm very happy that you are now walking and you are fine. You have no infection, and I pray to God that it remains like this. And this hip replacement, revision hip, please God, will last you a long time to come.
I should say I've experienced a very good stay in Apollo Hospital. Our staff are good. The medical care is fantastic. It's 100%. There is no time I stayed in my hospital bed without your staff coming to check on me. Every other 30 minutes, I should say, there was either a doctor or a sister coming to check on me, and they, I had a team of pain management people coming to ensure that after the operation, the pain was minimized, and I had at my disposal all the doctors from the various departments who checked on me. I had their dietitian ensuring that I was put on very good diet.
That speaks a lot about your tenacity.
Thank you
Great.
very much.